Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Times of Ummah. Today's third news update is coming from Israel, where the Israeli fighter jets have targeted several positions in Gaza for the second time when Bennett came into power. Their viewers recently both have battled 11 days of war, and Israel have bombarded Gaza for 11 days and have killed over 250 Palestinians, including 66 children. According to Palestinian sources, the Israeli missiles have targeted several positions belonging to the armed groups in Gaza. Their viewers, a civil administration building east of Jabalia in the north was also targeted, in addition to an agricultural field east of the southern town of Khan Yunis, and there were no reports of casualties and deaths. And the Hamas spokesman has said in a statement that the occupation bombing of the resistance site is a demonstrative show by the new Israeli government. He added the resistance will be on the lookout in defense of our people and our holy sites. And also the Hamas media has reported the Israeli drone was down. The Israeli media also reported they attacked Hamas targets inside the Gaza Strip in response to the launching of incendiary balloons towards Israel. Palestinian fighters have been launching the balloons for the third day running on Thursday. The balloons are basic devices intended to set fire to farmland and bush near the border with Gaza. But in a statement, the Israeli army has said it will continue to destroy Hamas military capabilities and structures and hold it responsible for the attacks. The United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken on Thursday spoke with the Israeli Foreign Minister Yair Lapid to discuss security issues and the ongoing challenges to Israel. Dear viewers, the United States State Department spokesman has said the Secretary discussed the United States' commitment to the Israel security, the importance of the United States-Israel bilateral relationship, and the need to improve Israeli-Palestinian relations in practical ways. He added Secretary Blinken and Minister Lapid underscored the strong partnership between the United States and Israel and America's unwavering support for the Israel's security. Dear viewers, the most shameful thing for the United States is Israel bombing civilians in Gaza, and the United States continues to Israeli support, and the United States even can't condemn the Israeli brutal violence of the human rights. Israeli new government is quite anti-Muslim government, and they will continue its attacks on the Gaza ahead. The new Prime Minister intends to expel Palestinians from their land, but we will see what will be coming next. Dear viewers, if you want to watch top news of the day, please subscribe Times of Ummah.